forgot to use that bubble pop. So I'm gonna try to do a look kind of like that, but like less Swarovski. Taking the color Daiquiri Ice on my pink eyebrow one and just putting it literally all over the lid. Okay, now I'm doing a combo of fresh berry and pink lemonade and putting that on my blue eyebrow eyeball. Or, you know, the only eye left. Then I'm gonna take Sugar Free on my blue eye, just like in the inner corner, kind of a crease moment. And then Fruit Punch on my other eye. A crease moment. Then we're gonna outer corner, kind of a V with Luscious. Then a little faux wing with Root Beer. Finish it off with Lashes for Days. Every time.
Let's see.
Straight up killing the game. Trying to write out cotton candy.
Is this a Z?
Yeah, did you think it was an N?
I can see that.
Who else has a question?
Let me see your shirt. Let me see your shirt. Sugar daddy.
Sugar daddy's in
I'm
the
the
building.
sugar baby.
Sugar daddy's in the building.
Yes, thank you, Holly, for making this happen. It's so hot.
It's raining outside.
It's raining outside, I guess. But look at this cake Maddie made. She's seen better days. She is melting. I might need to eat her soon. So we're just having our cotton candy lunch. It's the end of the day. I was having a hashtag panic attack all day. It was really bad. Yeah, here's our displays. Regina, say hi. That's my girl. And then I'm going to show you the other display right over here. So cute. I love how it turned out. I dyed that cotton. If you want to look back in another vlog, dyed the cotton so it's like cotton candy. We have all of our stuff. And then over here, I actually took product photos. Oh shoot, I'm gonna get Billy's gonna kill me. I got those today. The pictures. I'm gonna get a copyright strike. Shoot. Okay. Oh, pictures.
She got big ass.
Maquillage is collabing with Krispy Kreme. They don't know about the collab, but we're collabing. Cotton Candy Donut with our cotton candy collection. It doesn't taste like cotton candy. Yeah. No way. Yeah. Then what happens? Oh my goodness.
No way.
How was our lunch, babe?
Terrific.
Terrific.
I'll post more tomorrow.
It was a great lunch day. We made half my goal, but that's okay. This is my first launch like this, and I set a really high goal. So like I wanted to sell all of the butters today, and we sold a good amount, but I only made half my goal. But tomorrow's another day. We have a whole weekend of this. So like ideally, I'm gonna put it out there, we're gonna sell out by the end of the weekend. Right?